MIHANG'O ya ubi wa kamiti ya ITHURANO na MIHAKA IEBC ikionekana gutugio iremithia ogwakia riu igoti inene NIRIRUGAMITIE gucabithio na KWIHITITHIO kwa maritwa maria President William RUTO eriga kwamura ta muikariri giti wa IEBC Erastus Ethekon na makamicina atandatu.
As a chairman or commissioner,
akirekereria itua riri mucirithania Lawrence Mugambi augite maundu maria magwetetwo cira-ini wa kuregana na kwamurwo kwao ni urahutia wiathi wa muingi na ni undu urabatara guthurimwo na njira ndikiru ni ruhonge rwa ucirithania.
Pending the hearing and termination of this petition, a conservatory order is hereby issued forbidding and or preventing the gazettement, taking of oath or assuming of office by the interested parties, namely Erastus Ethekon, Anne Jerin Deritu, Moses Altara Mukwana, Mary Karen Sorobit, Hassan Nur Hassan, Francis Odhiambo Odwol, Fahima Haravat Abdara, or any other person or persons as the chairman or commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission.
Mugambi riu aneanete cira uyu kuri mucirithania munene niguo obe ndudia majaji aria meguthikiriria na makinyanirie itua cira-ini uyu.
This file is hereby forwarded to the Chief Justice for empanelment of an even number of judges to hear and determine the petition pursuant to the provisions of Article 165(4) of the Constitution. Costs shall be in the course.
Ukiri uguo, Igoti NIRITIKIRITIE mbunge ya bururi ithii na mbere na MIHANG'O ya guthurima muikariri giti na makamicina aria mamuritwo no ambunge amwe ni mararakitwo ni ruhonge rwa ucirithania kuingirira wira wao gigatiba.
For avoidance of doubt, the vetting and approval process in the National Assembly may proceed but subject to this order.
Courts have to wait until Parliament concludes the matter, and then after that anybody who wants to go to court can go to court and litigate the matter there. But Mr. Speaker, you cannot inject the House from doing their work. You cannot inject Parliament from doing their constitutional mandate.
Speaker wa bunge ya bururi ni aheanite mwerekera kuri kamiti ya bunge igie watho na kihoto ithii na mbere na MIHANG'O ya guthurima makamicina aria mamuritwo akiuga gutiri mundu kana ruhonge o ruothe rwina mahinya ma kurugamia bunge gutwarithia wira wayo gigatiba.
Nobody, and I repeat, nobody has the power under any law or under our constitution. I have asked the Chief Justice to have some colloquium with some members of this House, including yours truly, so that we do not continue talking at each other as arms of government.
Itua ria igoti rikinyanirio riri kamiti ya IEBC ingetheirwo ni gibarua kirito na ikihikana na mahinda mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachage.